I just wanted to share what I did yesterday. So we created a bunch of emails in this Google Doc. You can see this is email campaigns, not yet purchase email 1, 2, 3, and whatsoever. And each email has like a small trigger immediately after purchase, or 3 days before November 30th, and 2 days after email 2. So you get this idea, right? So what I've done is I've taken this whole, I guess I have to open another window. I've taken this whole thing and I just said copy as markdown. Then I went into Claude-code, which the history is right not here anymore. Here's like within the templates folder. Sorry, this is something different. So I asked Claude-code, I just pasted this whole markdown thing. I asked it to figure out the emails and generate all those individual emails and make them ready for my new email tool. So Claude goes in there and it out of those creates each individual email. And then for each email, it also generates a JSON file that contains the name, contains the email ID of the tool where I later uploaded them via API, which is also let me show you, which is basically this Klaviyo tool. And in here there's content templates, so you can see all those emails here. So after I had Claude generating those emails, I asked it to just, by giving it the APIs for this, to upload all those emails into this tool. And then for each email, I generated this JSON file, including the email ID from this tool, a description, and also a trigger description. Then I was like, okay, are those emails all triggering correctly and so forth? And how can I visualize this? So then I asked Claude, hey, within the templates folder, there's JSON file for each email. Build me a mermaid flowchart that you can store in a separate file based on the trigger descriptions of the email that visualizes them. So then it kind of goes through and reads all those emails, and then it writes all of this. I've done 2 iterations on improving this. And so then I basically get out this email flowchart here, where you can see here is all the emails. User comes in, looks up a property, then this is the first drip campaign, and whenever the user comes out, it goes to the second drip campaign, and then it kind of goes into this thing. And so this is just amazing. This has been like an hour of work, including all the emails and getting it into all into this tool. And the diagram and making sure everything is right. And what I'm working on next is basically there's those flow tools where you can set up email triggers, which I started. So this is an empty flow. But the next thing is that based on this flow chart, I will ask it to generate the same flow chart in the email tool via API. I'm just kind of blocked by some API permissions. So this is going to be for another day.